13 Easy Ways to Make Money from Home. Everyone's looking for easy ways to make money from home, and we have some ideas. Check out these attainable avenues to earn some extra income from home. 1. Rent out rooms in your home. One of the more traditional forms of earning extra money is to rent out rooms in your home and have housemates. Nowadays, you can also rent out rooms via Airbnb for long or short-term stays. In either case, you'll want good liability insurance and choose a way that gives you the level of control you need over who is in your home. If you want to vet the person who will be renting, then you'd want to avoid Airbnb's instant booking feature that allows people to simply book without contacting you. 2. Become an online tutor. If you know a subject well or are a native English speaker, you can sign up with an online tutoring company to offer your knowledge for pay. You might tutor a specific person in English or find people who need help with physics if that's your specialty. Subjects include anything you could learn, including musical instruments. 3. Rent out your car. If you don't want to rent out your home, you can rent out your car. You will have to meet platform requirements regarding cleanliness, repairs, and overall condition. You'll want to ensure your car insurance allows you to do this, too. And find out from the rental platform what protection you have if the renter gets a ticket or gets into an accident in your car. 4. Start a freelance business. Freelancers are self-employed, and they run businesses that require licensing from the city or county and that have a tax structure such as a sole proprietorship or LLC. And you can make money from home as a freelancer, doing graphic design, writing, or another type of work. Do what you can to set aside estimated taxes whenever you get paid. It is all too easy to fall behind. 5. Monetize social media and streaming accounts. If you're pretty popular on social media or have a skill that could be popular on a streaming site like Twitch, look into monetizing those accounts. YouTube videos can make you cash, too, if you and the videos meet certain requirements. In all of these cases, you'll have to build a following and meet guidelines for content. But whether you try to be an Instagram or TikTok influencer or have cat videos that get you royalties from ad views, you'll find your niche. 6. Sell web domain names. If you're good at spotting trends and want to be actively involved in your money making, and not having a passive process, flipping domain names might be your thing. This is where you buy domain names and then sell them to people who want to use them. People hold a website domain that another person or company wants to use. That person or company has to buy the domain name to use it. So, the holder makes cash. 7. Trade cryptocurrencies. Just as you can trade stocks, so can you trade cryptocurrencies. You'll need to set up an account with a cryptocurrency site and choose your type of wallet. Be careful here as hot and cold wallets each have different restrictions. You can choose to trade in futures or buy the currency and hold onto it as it rises or falls in price, selling it when it reaches a price you want in cash. Cryptocurrency is still an evolving field, subject to more tax regulations and the whims of the market. People can make money at this, but proceed with caution. 8. Trade foreign currencies, FOREX. You can also trade foreign currencies, but start small in this field as the financial losses can be big if you make a mistake. You'll need an account on a trading platform and can set up automated trades or handle them yourself. Do your due diligence regarding the currency you want to trade. Most platforms will have articles about how to start trading. Trading may be as simple as holding a currency and selling it when it's worth more than your home currency, e.g., the US dollar for people in the US, or more traditional forex trading where you look at pairs of currencies. 9. Upload and sell stock photos. If you like taking photos and are good with both getting the shot and processing it into a clear image, you might look into selling your photos through an online stock photo catalog. Some photos can be free under certain circumstances, e.g., for non-commercial use, while others can get you some royalties. Be sure to look at the site's terms and make sure you retain the main rights to each photo. 10. Be a virtual assistant. Many people who run solo businesses, especially those who are online and have gotten popular, often have virtual assistants. These are remote admin assistants who help with administrative tasks and marketing from their own homes, instead of going into an office. You can find virtual assistant openings both through word of mouth and through job sites. 11. Monetize a blog. Have you noticed how many food blogs there are now, how many home decor blogs, and how many knitting blogs? Tools, comics, math explanations, you name it, and there's a community of blogs for it. And each community continues to grow. You could start a blog and monetize it, meaning you join advertising and affiliate programs. Sell ebooks, and add other features that allow money to flow toward you. 12. Be a website tester. Functionality is essential for all websites, but especially for businesses who rely on their websites to get customers or make sales. You can try being a website tester who evaluates websites by trying them out and letting the customer know what you thought. Sometimes these involve conversations with the customer, while other times you'll fill out a questionnaire. You'll need fairly up-to-date computer access, but this can be a fast way to get a few dollars per site. 13. Start your e-commerce site. Why should Amazon and Overstock get all the goods? Why not start your e-commerce site and offer a platform for people to sell their stuff? Okay, that's not the easiest way to make money from home. But it's not as hard to set up if you know where you can get willing sellers who will use the platform. No one said you had to aim for Etsy-level competition right away, of course. But, if you like running websites, running your e-commerce site could get your extra income rolling in fast once sales start being made. You'll want to create a sales funnel that helps the site get more sales without you having to actively seek out buyers. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to receive our next videos.